NLH, new design electric double girder overhead crane with hoist installation guide. Check the shipping list. Unpack and check the packing list. Mechanical parts. Install the end carriage in order. Install locating bolts first. Then install the common bolts. Install nut bolts to prevent loosening. Place the handrails in the corresponding positions. Install the electrical control box support bracket. Install handrails. Install crane electrical control box. Install buffer extension. Install buffer. Install maintenance cage. Install double nut bolts to prevent loosening. Prepare the connecting beam for installation. Install the connecting beam in order. Install connecting shaft. Install the fixing plate. Install hook blocker bracket. Prepare to install the support bracket. Install the support bracket. Install the track hanger. Install the pendant track. Install the track joint. Install the wire frame. Install the trolley. Install auxiliary the hook. Install the iron stopper. Install anti-slip lock. Install main the hook. Install the iron stopper. Install anti-slip lock. Electrical parts. Install the remote control. Install the cable trolleys. Install the festoon cable. Fasten the end cable trolley. Install the steel chain. Install the current collector bracket. Install trolley conductor bracket. Wire. Bundle. And connect the cables. Install crane limit switch. Note, the amount of oil injected into the reducer of each mechanism should refer to the reducer. Mark to quantitatively fill industrial gear oil, carry out commissioning and run the driving mechanism.